getting just a little bit too hot in here. Now I'll just leave this open a little bit. Well, it's supposed to rain all day, and then we get snow at night, and we're also supposed to get between 70 and 100 kilometers of wind, so yep, this should be fun. Well, here's my gear. I got my sleeping bag, I got my pillow, I got my Mr. Heater portable buddy with 2 of these propane tanks. So I'm thinking with that and the wood stove, between the 2 of those I should get through the night. And this is my cot, which is a part of my cot tent. I'm just skipping out on the whole tent part. The cot's gonna go here. Put my sleeping bag on it. I'll put that little buddy heater maybe on that chair or maybe on the floor. I haven't decided yet. Picked up a little bit. Holy moly. I got a soaker. That was some crazy thunder just now. Yeah, a couple of times the wind has hit and it's like, whoa, not cool, man. But that's part of the adventure. The trees are bouncing. Like there's no tomorrow. Probably shouldn't be in a shock right now, but zipper on the outside. Okay, there's obviously no room, so these chairs have got to go. Okay, there we go. Cot, sleeping bag, pillow, wood stove. I got my emergency heat over there. We're good to go. Touching on 5:30, so the sun is slowly going down. Slowly. Holy moly. Well, the sun's gone down. I ran out of wood, so I switched to my portable propane heater. I have it on low setting. So far, so good. Wind is picking up. Well, I made it the night. Ran out of wood, so I turned on the propane heater. Then I ran out of propane, so then I threw some toe warmers in the sleeping bag with me, and I made it through the night. I think if I didn't have the toe warmers, I probably would have bailed, but I woke up freezing. But yeah, it was fun. Get all my gear packed up, get on out of here, and watch Phantom of the Opera, 1925, Lon Chaney Sr. Classic. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's on YouTube. I'm out of here, so yeah, stay heavy.